I bet you didn't know what would happen if Earth had two moons. For millennia, humans have gazed upon a single luminous orb, our moon. But what if, in a cosmic twist of fate, Earth acquired a second moon? Imagine a night sky illuminated by two celestial dancers. The consequences would be profound, touching every aspect of life as we know it. The universe is a vast and dynamic arena where celestial objects wander and interact. It's possible that a rogue moon could be captured by Earth's gravity, becoming our planet's celestial companion. The immediate impact would be visual. Our familiar night sky would be transformed into a celestial ballet of two luminous orbs. Imagine the stories and myths that ancient civilizations might have created to explain this celestial spectacle. But the consequences wouldn't be limited to aesthetics. The arrival of a second moon would unleash a cascade of physical changes, reshaping Earth's environment. The vastness of space teems with celestial objects, including rogue planets and moons. Earth's gravity extends far out into space. If a rogue moon were to pass close enough to Earth, it could be captured. This cosmic ballet would involve a delicate interplay of gravitational forces. The capture process wouldn't be instantaneous. It could take thousands, even millions of years for the rogue moon to settle into a stable orbit around Earth. The final configuration of this celestial partnership would depend on various factors, leading to unique consequences for our planet. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night. Instead of the familiar solitary glow of our moon, you're greeted by the sight of two luminous orbs. The appearance of the night sky would depend on the size and orbital characteristics of the new moon. A smaller, more distant moon might appear as a bright star. A larger, closer moon could rival or even surpass the brightness of our current moon. The interplay between the two moons would create a constantly shifting celestial display. Double moonrises and moonsets would become commonplace, offering breathtaking spectacles. Shadows would also take on a new dimension, adding a surreal element to our perception of space and depth. The arrival of a second moon wouldn't just alter our view of the night sky, it would have profound consequences for Earth's oceans. Tides, driven by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, would be dramatically affected. The gravitational forces of two moons acting in concert with the sun's gravity would create a complex and dynamic tidal system. Coastal regions would experience the most dramatic changes. High tides could reach unprecedented levels, inundating low-lying areas and reshaping coastlines. Low tides could recede further than ever before, exposing vast stretches of the ocean floor. The increased tidal forces wouldn't just affect the oceans, they would also impact Earth's interior. The gravitational pull of two moons would exert a stronger tidal force on the Earth's crust and mantle, potentially leading to increased volcanic activity and earthquakes. Life on Earth has evolved under the rhythmic influence of a single moon. The arrival of a second moon would disrupt these delicate rhythms, with potentially far-reaching consequences for ecosystems. Marine life would be among the most affected. Many marine organisms rely on lunar cues for reproduction. The altered tidal patterns could disrupt these cycles, affecting breeding patterns. Nocturnal animals that rely on moonlight for navigation and hunting would also face challenges. The presence of two moons could create confusion and disrupt established patterns of behavior. Some species might adapt, while others could struggle to survive in a world bathed in unfamiliar moonlight. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have looked to the heavens for inspiration and guidance. The moon has held a special place in our myths, religions, and artistic expressions. The arrival of a second moon would spark a renaissance of cultural and scientific exploration. The night sky, now adorned with two celestial dancers, would inspire new stories, myths, and religious beliefs. Artists, writers, and musicians would find inspiration in this celestial spectacle. Scientifically, the arrival of a second moon would provide an unprecedented opportunity to study celestial mechanics and planetary formation. The challenges posed by a second moon would drive innovation and technological development. The hypothetical scenario of Earth gaining a second moon highlights the dynamic nature of our universe. It reminds us that our planet is a participant in a grand cosmic dance governed by the laws of physics. While the immediate effects would be significant, life on Earth has proven to be remarkably resilient. The arrival of a second moon would likely lead to new evolutionary pathways rather than an extinction event. Contemplating a two-moon Earth invites us to appreciate the delicate balance of our planet's environment. The cosmos is full of wonders, and it's up to us to explore, discover, and unlock its secrets. Thank you for watching Cosmic Chronicler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic explorations.